deep inside your brain is the amygdala. Think of it as your brain's smoke alarm. Its only job is to scan for threats, and when it finds one, to pull the fire alarm, the fight or flight response, that is. See, your heart pumps, adrenaline flows, and your logical brain, the prefrontal cortex, it gets shut down. Here's the problem. Your amygdala, well, it isn't very smart. It can't tell the difference between a tiger about to eat you and a comment on social media that challenges your identity. To your brain's alarm system, a threat is a threat.